In this video, we're going to look at the private members portal provided by Subscribe360. In previous videos, we've looked at how membership organisations can use Subscribe360 to manage all their operations, but in this video, we're going to highlight just how easy it is for your members to keep their own details up to date and self-serve through the portal. We're going to look at things like paying invoices, booking onto events, member-only events that is. We're going to look at member directory, how they can track their continuous professional development, how they can manage their membership of groups and committees, how they can manage their own preferences, and also we'll give you a quick demonstration of how you can use the portal to gauge member engagement. First thing we're going to look at is the portal page itself. Now, the Subscribe360 portal can be embedded in your organisation's website. Members have to log in to the portal, so they have to provide usernames and passwords and authenticate themselves before they can get into here. So let's look at some of the features that are available. When I log in, it confirms my name, my membership status and my join date. It also highlights that I've got some invoices to pay. Look at some of the options that are available, some of the buttons. We'll start off in the My Membership area. Because I'm a member, obviously I can't join online today, I've already joined, but if someone is a non-member, they can register for your portal and then request to join your organisation. But because I'm already a member, I can click in here and it gives me the option to apply to modify my grade. Membership organisations can control which grades can up or downgrade to which other grades. I can also choose via the portal to keep my own details up to date. So if I click on my details, I can see the details that are made available to me to update are my title, my first name, my last name, my job title, my email, mobile phone, business phone, and whether or not I want to be included in the members list. Your organisation can choose which data to expose and which not. So I'm just going to update the fact that I don't want to include in the members list, and I'm going to change my mobile phone number. Quickly just move across to Subscribe360 itself. We can see that my phone number has updated and my include in members list has been set to no. It is important to understand that with a portal, you're allowing your members to update these records in real time. So as soon as the member has updated something on the portal, within Subscribe360, it is immediately available. I can also view the invoices that are outstanding for me to pay. So if I click in here, I can see I have 3 unpaid invoices to pay off. I can also view details of any that I've paid in the past. So here are all the invoices that I've paid. If I come back to the unpaid ones, I can either select to pay them all off or I can select to pay 2. I can make a donation to a fund if I like. I'm not going to make a donation today. I can go in and pay those invoices off. Now the system updates and I can see I have 1 invoice outstanding. So as you can see, it's very easy to control my own membership level. I can upgrade and downgrade via the portal. I can keep my details up to date via the portal. I can also pay off any invoices via the portal. As well as those functions, I can also go in and view event bookings. I can both view details of past bookings and also manage my bookings that are for future events. So I can see here are details of events that I've viewed in the past. I can also view details. That can be a private event page where you can put up any kind of information relating to the event that only logged in members can see. I can also view details of events that I'm already booked on. If I look at this one, the Classic Car Shows 2022, I can manage my bookings, I can manage sessions, I can also request a cancellation for this event via the portal. If we look at the second one, Seasonal Dinner, if I choose to manage this, I can see I can't request cancellation on here because that is controlled from within Subscribe360. That's set on a per event basis. Because I'm logged in, I can also view the private members directory. Now if you remember earlier in the video, I elected not to appear in this list, so I don't, but I can see all the details of the contacts or organisations who are members of our organisation, and I can also choose to view the details of those people. So I can see that this person has agreed to share their first name, their surname and their email address. As well as access to the member directory, I can also control my own preferences. So which marketing materials would I like to receive? And how would I like to receive that information? For example, what's my preferred method of contact? I'd prefer to be contacted by email. I can see here I have preferences for international news, regional news, and Northern Ireland and Scotland. If I say, well, I don't want to receive the regional news in Scotland anymore, I can remove that preference. I can also add a new preference. So if I add, I can see all these preferences that I can choose to receive information on. I've removed Scotland, I don't want that anymore, but I do wish to receive regional news for Wales, so I can add that. Again, all being recorded in Subscribe 360 in real time. We can also, via the Logged In Members portal, get access to exclusive member events. So if you've seen one of our other videos, you might see that we do have an events listing page on the portal. But this are publicly available events. If I go into the My portal and look at member-only events, I can see events that are marked as member-only. So I have to be a member before I can book onto this event. So there's a seasonal dinner taking place in the Republic of Ireland. There's some social events taking place in Aberdeen, which is in Great Britain. I can filter by location if I like. So just show me ones in the Republic of Ireland. There we go. View the details of that event. I can see all the information. If I wish to, I can go ahead and book onto that event. So the next point we'll want to look at is the continuous professional development. Now, continuous professional development can be managed both within Subscribe 360 itself or you can allow members to create their own continuous professional development records. So let's have a look at this one. If I click in on my CPD, you can see that between March and June of 2022, my target is 100 points. I have completed 75 points and it confirms to me that I've got 25 points remaining. Here are the activities that have been logged against me, against my continuous professional development. So I can see I did some coursework, attended a webinar, and I sat an exam. Because I have added these myself, I can edit them or delete them. But there's also a record that's been added by a Subscribe 360 user, so not by the member themselves. So I can't edit the details of those. But what I can do is add another activity. So I'm going to record I have done something that counts towards my CPD. Keep it very simple. I attended a course and I'll say I did that start of April. That was a course and that was worth 10 points. As we can see, my completion has gone up by 10 points. My CPD remaining has gone down by 10. Confirms to me I'm 85% complete. I can come in and edit or delete that information if I wish to, but in this case I don't want to. Another piece of very useful functionality that Subscribe 360 provides is ability to view and join groups and committees. If we look at this one, which is my groups, if I click in the details there, I can see details of any groups that I'm a member of. As you can see, at the moment I'm a member of one group. But if I look at the Groups and Committees tab itself, not the My Groups, the Groups and Committees tab, I can see here there are 3 groups and committees set up and available via the portal. You can see there's the Christmas Club, the Northern Committee, and the UKF Cards Policy Group. I have an application pending to join the UKF Cards Policy, so I'm not yet a member. That's why it didn't appear in my groups. I am a member of the Northern Committee, but I can also see details of the Christmas Club. So I can view the members, or I can apply to join. I can apply to join that group via the portal. Confirms to me that my application is now under review. I can see now there's an application pending for the Christmas Club, one for the Cards Policy, and I'm an existing member of the Northern Committee. So those are the types of things that your members can easily achieve via the portal. A huge element of self-service in that. But another thing that we'd like to demonstrate is member engagement. Now this isn't something we'd expect your members to actually physically do, but what we can do is track the fact that people have clicked on certain pages or opened certain pages and whether people have clicked on certain links. So this is just a demonstration to show, because I've now accessed that page, it logs that as a visit and I can be awarded an engagement score. If I click on this particular button or link, it will also track the fact that I've done that and award me a subsequent score, which you can then use to measure how engaged your members are or aren't and take appropriate action. So as you can see, Subscribe 360 is a very easy to use self-service portal that allows your members to keep their details and all of their information up to date.